Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. So let's press and hold it, and after the controls menu appears on the screen, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the Do Not Disturb mode icon and then press the start/stop button to turn it on. The icon will change the color and it should say Do Not Disturb on. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply press and hold the light button again, select the icon again, press the start/stop, and the icon should change the color and it should say Do Not Disturb off. And then you can press the back button. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through settings. So we can press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu, scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons, select the system, then press the start. Here is find the option called Do Not Disturb. Select it, press start, and here we have status, and we can press start to enable it or disable it. You can also scroll down, select edit, and here you can basically edit the behavior of the Do Not Disturb mode. For example, you can change how the backlight behaves. So you can select backlight, press start, and you have don't change off. So basically you can select off and the backlight will be disabled when you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And you can do this for notifications, alerts, and wrist gestures. So you can basically enable them or disable them. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.